Capstone Asset Management Company reduced its position in Oracle Corporation, New York Stock Exchange (ORCL), by 5.2% during the second quarter, according to its most recent filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). The firm owned 384,746 shares of the enterprise software provider's stock after selling 21,283 shares during the quarter. Oracle Corporation accounts for approximately 0.5% of Capstone Asset Management Company's holdings, making the stock its 29th biggest holding. Capstone Asset Management Company's holdings in Oracle Corporation were worth $19,291,000 at the end of the most recent quarter. A number of other institutional investors have also recently bought and sold shares of ORCL. Quotient Investors LLC raised its position in Oracle Corporation by 263.2% in the first quarter. Quotient Investors LLC now owns 41,811 shares of the enterprise software provider's stock worth $1,865,000 after purchasing an additional 30,300 shares during the period. Ledyard National Bank increased its position in shares of Oracle Corporation by 32.7% during the first quarter. Ledyard National Bank now owns 9,536 shares of the enterprise software provider's stock worth $425,000 after acquiring an additional 2,350 shares during the period. Bollard Group LLC increased its position in shares of Oracle Corporation by 0.4% during the first quarter. Bollard Group LLC now owns 22,675 shares of the enterprise software provider's stock worth $1,012,000 after acquiring an additional 84 shares during the period. Arnold Co. Incorporated increased its position in shares of Oracle Corporation by 12.6% during the first quarter. Arnold Co. Incorporated now owns 52,352 shares of the enterprise software provider's stock worth $2,335,000 after acquiring an additional 5,850 shares during the period. Finally, Sabal Trust Co. purchased a new position in shares of Oracle Corporation during the first quarter worth approximately $213,000. 58.65% of the stock is currently owned by institutional investors. Oracle Corporation, ORCL, traded up 0.25% during trading on Wednesday, reaching $48.04. 5,534,940 shares of the company's stock traded hands. Oracle Corporation has a 12-month low of $37.62 and a 12-month high of $53.14. The stock has a market capitalization of $200.47 billion, a P/E ratio of 20.90, and a beta of 1.05. The company has a 50-day moving average of $49.85 and a 200-day moving average of $47.11. Oracle Corporation, New York Stock Exchange (ORCL), last released its quarterly earnings data on Thursday, September 14th. The enterprise software provider reported 62 cents earnings per share, EPS, for the quarter, topping the consensus estimate of 60 cents by 2 cents. Oracle Corporation had a return on equity of 20.55% and a net margin of 25.34%. The firm had revenue of $9.21 billion during the quarter, compared to analyst estimates of $9.03 billion. During the same period in the prior year, the company posted 55 cents earnings per share. The business's revenue for the quarter was up 7.0% compared to the same quarter last year. On average, equities research analysts expect that the Oracle Corporation will post $2.94 earnings per share for the current fiscal year. The firm also recently announced a quarterly dividend, which will be paid on Wednesday, October 25th. Stockholders of record on Wednesday, October 11th will be paid a 19-cent dividend. The ex-dividend date of this dividend is Tuesday, October 10th. This represents a 76-cent dividend on an annualized basis and a dividend yield of 1.58%. Oracle Corporation's dividend payout ratio, DPR, is presently 33.19%. Several equities analysts recently issued reports on the stock. UBSAG reissued a buy rating and set a $52 price objective, up from $48, on shares of Oracle Corporation in a report on Thursday, June 22. They noted that the move was a valuation call. Bidisk Club lowered shares of Oracle Corporation from a buy rating to a hold rating in a report on Wednesday, September 20. BTIG Research reissued a buy rating and set a $58 price objective on shares of Oracle Corporation in a report on Tuesday, September 19. Canaccord Genuity restated a buy rating and issued a